Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a loan account onto your Money Manager app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Money Manager budgeting app on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the transactions page right away. From here, in order to add any loan account, just click on accounts at the bottom section. From here, click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on add. Now within the account group section, you will see various different kinds of accounts that you can add. From here, choose the loan option and then you can give a title for your loan. After entering the title, you can enter the amount within the amount section. Choose your currency if you have multiple ones. Make sure to read carefully about the liability as well as asset section while adding your amount. You may also add further description within the description section and then click on the save button. You can also choose to have the difference set as your income if you wish by clicking on the yes button. After choosing your desired option, it will now be added to your accounts and your transactions as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a loan account within the Money Manager budgeting app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.